So, how do you create a new username and password on the Chief 45 machine? Also, how do you assign usage permissions to this username? We select the tool we want to use, settings, printer, then add a new user. Here you can change the username. I can change it to a new one, a new name. Please enter your password. Enter a password. Click settings. Then you need to enter the password twice, once more to confirm. Okay, set. Its permissions. This time select all. To grant permissions, simply check the boxes. For example, you can grant access to information, permission to insert graphics, and so on. Testing print permissions, etc. The permissions you check are the ones granted. If you don't check a box, that permission is not given. Once that process is completed, you can then log in again with the account that we have just successfully created. Password. Here they are. Tools. The gray ones mean no permission was granted, while the green ones mean permission was given. For the blue apartment, we left this side empty, so she doesn't have full settings here, and she doesn't have full access there either. All right.